Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for the opportunity for me to present my research in this 25th International Conference on Business, Economics, Law, Language, and Psychology. My name is Lutfan Kasmal. I'm currently an MBA student in School of Business and Management located in Bandung Institute of Technology. Other than being an MBA student, I'm also a business development team in an MRO company. And today I will present to you my research regarding gas turbine repair business in Indonesia, a case study of maintenance, repair, and overhaul company, which is my own company right now. Okay, the content of my presentation today will be research objective, research frameworks, the key finding and analysis, and finally a research outcome. We will now go to the research background and objective. In a power plant industry, as we know, there are operation and maintenance company that operate and runs a power plant. For each power plant, they will have their own periodic maintenance schedule. In this maintenance, usually there are three activities such as general inspection and spare part replacement, minor or major repair on the damaged part, and then overhaul and commissioning. For each of these activities, usually the O&M or operation and maintenance company will hire maintenance, repair, and overhaul company to perform the activities. Hence, this is the area where MRO company will develop their business. Going more deeper into MRO business situation in Indonesia, we can see the current market situation that there are a growing number of players, especially for the steam turbine power plant. It's still a challenge for MRO company to project the market size because of the unique business process, and each power plant will have its own maintenance cycle. Hence, it's still a challenge to project. However, for gas turbine power plant, the owners are very well organized in following their maintenance schedule, usually provided by the original equipment manufacturer or OEM, compared to other type of power plant. Gas turbine itself are very reliable. In Indonesia, it had been used since 1980. And for gas turbine repair, it will requires a special machinery, and we found that only few companies that own this machine. We can conclude in here that Indonesia market for MRO business had already entered a mature state. Hence, every company must have unique value compared to its competitor to grow their business. And one of which is the gas turbine capabilities. Hence, gas turbine MRO business, we still found it a good potential segment for an MRO company to grow their business further. Now, I will explain to you about the ABC company as the basis of this research. ABC company is a national company that specializes in MRO business for power plant. The company established in 1997, and right now it have becomes one of the leading company in the industry. In 2021, ABC company is planning to develop their business and become a gas turbine repair company, especially in the hot gas part component repair. A quick overview of the ABC company. Right now, they have achieved around 10 million USD yearly revenue, and they have around 8,500 square of workshop. However, their workshop still not having any special machine for the gas turbine component repair. Hence, we can develop the research objective. First is defining gas turbine component repair market size in Indonesia, and then develop alternative for ABC company business development, especially for the gas turbine component repair, and evaluate the output and decide the preferred development alternative for ABC company. The research framework we use in this analysis are as follows. First, we have three main resources. The market intelligence of ABC company that they developed during the 20 years of experience in this market. And then we will use the OEM manual. Usually, each OEM will provide a manual to develop the maintenance cycle for each of their equipment. And then, even though it's still very limited, there's also some previous research on an MRO businesses for power plant equipment. Now, using these three resources, we will develop the market size of Indonesian gas turbine component repair market. After we develop that, we will evaluate the business situation analysis of ABC company to determine their market share. And then we can develop the alternative. In this analysis, we will develop two alternatives. And for each alternative, we will develop the financial model to determine the financial feasibility and then perform capital budgeting analysis. Finally, we can develop the NPV and IRR as the choosing criteria, and whichever of this alternative provide a bigger value will be the proposed alternative and the outcome of this result of this research. Now we will go to the research process, key findings and analysis. We can see in here that the market, first we will analyze the market size of gas turbine component in Indonesia. We will use the OEM manual from in here. In this case, we will use the General Electric gas turbine OEM manual. We can see there are 3 steps of maintenance. There are combustion inspection or CI, there are hot gas pipe inspection or HGPI, and there are major inspection. Each of this maintenance cycle is performed yearly. So for around 8,000 hours, then there will be a next step of inspection or maintenance. We can see after the first MI or the main inspection, and then there is CI or combustion inspection, and then there will be some lead time. In this lead time, it means that there are no repair during the year. And then after that, there will be HGPI, and then another CI lead time, and then after 6 years, it will be going back to the MI or major inspection. The equipment that will be needed to repair, the component that will needed to be repaired is presented in here, such as combustion liner, transient piece, crossfire tube, retainer ring, and in the HGPI, there is additional of first stage and second stage nozzle. Each gas turbine will have its own function. Usually there are 3 functions. First is base load, standby, and also a picker. Each of these functions will have its own running hours and yearly starts. It will be determined the major inspection cycle. So the one that we provide in here are for the base load or the most common use of gas turbine in gas turbine power plant. That's why it has 6 years of maintenance cycle. However, for standby and picker, there will be a difference as we can see in here. Now, using the previous information, we will first assume the MI year for each turbine that is already installed in Indonesia. We can see, for example, year 2021 will be the first MI for each of the function. Then for the next 10 years, the maintenance of every year are presented in this table. As we can see, there are a difference based on their own cycle. And then this assumption, we will use it for the gas turbine, the Frame 5 gas turbine unit that is installed in Indonesia. For ABC company, we have developed 4 major market segments. First, fertilizer, oil and gas, power generation, and other market segment. The total unit of equipment are also presented in here. And then finally, the last item that we need are the price for each repair. And we can see in here that based on the internal data, the maintenance cycle and price of repair for each of them are as follows. So finally, we can determine the total market size of gas turbine component repair in Indonesia, as shown in this table. Next, we go deeper into the ABC company situation analysis and alternative plan. We will use SWOT analysis in here. First, the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. We can see in here that the strength is that ABC company have partnership with the OEM. The weakness, they didn't have any special machinery, but also they don't have any partnership with the gas turbine repair company. However, based on their partnership, there are opportunities to develop their capabilities, and also the OEM can provide the database. And finally, there are some threat that many local companies, as previously explained, and they usually offer lower prices. In here, based on the SWOT analysis, we developed two alternatives: direct investment in special machinery, and the second alternative is strategic partnership with subcontractor. The evaluation criteria as defined previously are NPV and IRR. Here are the more detailed assumption that we use for each alternative. For alternative one, we will purchase a machine. The price will be around 1.75 million USD. The lead time from the purchase until the installation will be around 1 year. And then ABC company will use 65% debt to equity ratio. The CO gas itself will be projected from the actual ABC company cost from the last 5 years. The difference with alternative 2 are the cost of goods sold. It will be using the price agreed with the subcontractor, and also there are no new asset being purchased by ABC company. The market share that we will use in this analysis are assumed as follow. This is the market segment, and the total equipment will be targeted by ABC company. And then using this and the price of each maintenance cycle, we can develop the projected revenue for the next 10 years. Now we will perform the capital budgeting analysis. As we know, to develop the capital budgeting analysis, we need to determine first the cost of capital. We will use the weighted average cost of capital. For alternative one, or direct investment, it will be 65% debt to equity ratio, and the after-tax cost of debt have been presented, and also the cost of equity. For the cost of equity itself, we have evaluated using CAPM from Damodaran data. However, after we calculate, the hurdle rates of ABC company are higher, hence this will be the cost of equity that we use in this analysis. And then we can determine the weighted average cost of capital are around 11%. Using this value for the financial model that we develop, this is the result. The NPV will be around 28.7 billion, and the IRR will be around 21%. Based on the ABC company criteria, both of these are the evaluation results are okay and can be accepted. We will perform the same analysis for the second alternative. The difference in here are the cost of capital calculation. It will only use cost of equity because we only use owner's equity to finance net working capital and no long-term debt. The results are as follow. The NPV will be 1.8 billion and the IRR are around 19%. Once again, both of these are evaluated to be okay and can be accepted according to the ABC company criteria. To compare both of the alternative, we can see in here the conclusion is that alternative one, or direct investment in special machinery, are more preferred to ABC company, because it will provide higher value in both NPV and IRR, hence a higher return to the company. To enrich our analysis, we also perform sensitivity and risk analysis For the first alternative, the results are as follow. We can see that sensitivity analysis we perform and the result using the tornado chart and also spider charts. In here, the conclusion is that there are two highly sensitive parameters, which are total revenue realization and long-term debt ratio. Then we can conclude in here that for both of these alternatives, ABC company should develop the risk management plan in order not to lower their return for their business development plan. Okay, finally we can enter the research outcome. First, the market size of gas turbine component repair in Indonesia, as we have been calculated, it will be around 500 billion for the next 10 years. And then the alternative for ABC company business growth, we have determined two alternatives, direct investment in special machinery and also strategic partnership, both of which generate positive NPV and also good IRR for two ABC company. To determine which alternative is better and the proposed development plan, we compare both of these alternatives and we found that alternative one is the better option and can be implemented by ABC company. That's all of my presentation. Hopefully it can be used to develop the research in the maintenance, repair, and overhaul business segment or research segment. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Goodbye.